Hi everyone, welcome in Jakarta, Indonesia. We are in new luxury branded 4-star Hotel Ashley Tanah Abang, which opened just from April 2022 and located right in center of Jakarta. Let me show you everything, room and facilities. On the first floor, here is the main lobby, swimming pool, gym. Here is ballroom and restaurant. Let's go. Ashley Tanah Abang have 7 floors. Now we are in 6 floors and I will show you here executive double room. Executive double room. Big TV screen, Netflix and access to YouTube with right channel. Fast Wi-Fi in room. Coffee machine, locker, cool minibar, superior double room, smaller than the previous one and no coffee machine, but smart TV with Netflix, bottled water, coffee, tea, teapot, Bluetooth speaker, large bed and possible superior twin room with 2 beds, big mirror, closet for belongings, fresh towels, hot and cold shower. Now we are in Ashley's suite room. We have here working place, big TV, bar deck, coffee machine, refrigerator. On the second floor, one of the 2 ballrooms and 9 meetings room. I spent 2 days here and I think Ashley Tanah Abang Hotel is a terrific hotel for both short or long stays alone or with family. Everything inside hotel like in you, fresh and clean, and outside all important locations are closed because Ashley Tanah Abang Hotel located in center of Jakarta. Room prices here from 50 to 90 US dollars or 900, 1,300,000 IDR.